I'll try and cover all these. So there you have it. Technically it's a water crossing. You can comment and have fun. I've also tested the dash cams. The front one is good, 5 stars. Simply because I've paid 5 times more for it than the one at the back. I gave it 1 star. Working. Will help you in a crisis. This is where I'm going to have a cup of tea. Love going bush. Love making coffee or tea. Have a sandwich. And just sit and reflect and decompress. Well, I better start because there's a lot in the boot. There's snatch straps. There's a shovel. There's tow ropes. There's soft shackles. Yeah, you gotta make mistakes to keep it real. An axe, a saw, a shovel, tracks, 2-way radio, and a GPS just in case. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe.